Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have a few things to show you. Y'all, if you have not seen my Friday night gab from just a day or two ago, please go watch it so you can find out what's going on with me. I hurt my arm pretty bad, so but I got some friend mail and a wonderful box that I want to show y'all. So I won't go into all the detail. I'm doing pretty well, so I just want to tell you that. But this is why I have on makeup, I have on my base Laura Geller, and I do have on lipstick because I love lipstick. And well, I love eyeshadow too, but it's hard to put it on when you can't use both hands. So my arm is getting a little bit better. I have a little bit more movement, but it is sprained, so it's gonna take some time, is what the doctor told me. So I'll tell you really quick what I'm wearing on my lips. This is Kosas brand, very pretty packaging. And it is like blue on blue, blue on this metallic blue, the name, I think it's blue anyway. Oh, I forgot to see the name of it. It's called Daydream. Yeah, Daydream. And where did I get this? Did I get this? You know, it's just a little thing. I think I must have got it in the glam bag, in Ipsy glam bag, I guess. But it's really, oh God, see my arm. It's really beautiful. I think this tone is a really good, it's got a little bit of a plum to it, it's a little bit of berry to it maybe. I think this looks good on many different shades of skin, whether you're very light or very dark. I think it's a beautiful color. And this Kosas lipstick, it feels really good. And even though this is a mini, this would, you know, this will last a good while. You know, look at how much is in there. You know, it's just a mini bullet. And I guess I got it in, oh, I just hit the thing, as always, in the glam bag, I think. I really don't remember, y'all. Isn't that crazy? Anyway, so I have a couple pieces of friend mail, and I got a box from a wonderful subscriber. So my friend mail is from subscribers as well, and a channel. So I got a card from Valerie, and Valerie has been a longtime friend and subscriber, and you'll see her name in you know, she comments, and she is super creative, and I do believe she made this envelope. I just cut the envelope open, so I didn't look at it yet. So it has a beautiful rose on it there, and let's see, this is, Valerie made me that picture back there, which it's sort of hidden right now, but see, Valerie is so talented. She is a wonderful crafter. And look at this beautiful card. She made this card. Look at that, y'all. It is a Princess Camille. That's what it looks like, Camille. And she's just beautifully ornate and like an angel. She's got this halo around her with glitter. I don't know if you can see the glitter. I don't think that shows up. Then maybe a little bit. But how pretty. See, Valerie takes all kinds of fabrics and papers, like textures, and she mixes them together and makes them gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. Because this is, like, there's paper here, this is washi tape on the seam, and also there on the seam. And she says, hi Mary and kitties. Valerie won skin masks. She won some masks for me. And Valerie lives up north, and right, Valerie? I have to think about that. And she came to Alabama to visit with her sisters. She is a triplet. So there's also, if you ever see Triplet Girl 2, that is one of her sisters. She's got two sisters, of course, because she's a triplet. And Valerie and Patty is Triplet Girl 2. And they are on YouTube, but the third sister is not on YouTube. So they went to visit the third sister and in Alabama, but you know, a bit far from me. So, but she says, thank you so much for the skincare masks. I did share with my sisters. I added a little extra because I knew she was going to see her sisters. I really appreciate you, Mary. Many blessings to you. Love, Valerie. Valerie B is her name on YouTube, and she's been a longtime subscriber, as has Patty, and I thought, you know, let them do some self-care together. So I sent them that. So thank you, Patty. Valerie. They're like my own sisters. I just get their names mixed up, y'all. So, and I'm still a bit loopy. Just so you know, I am working, I am doing things, but I am a little loopy. And then I got this most beautiful postcard. Look at that. It's so fabulous old-fashioned. Isn't that pretty? This is from Hawaii, and has all of the islands on it. And it's just, it says, okay, Blue, hang on. You can see, it's just, I love the way it's made like an old map. It's really cool. And this is from Laura, Favorites with Laura. And of course, everybody knows Favorites with Laura. She has a channel. And she went to Hawaii and she sent me a postcard. I'm so excited that she sent me a postcard. It says, Dear Mary, Hawaii has me in awe. Sending some tropical vibes your way. Your friend Laura at Favorites with Laura. Thank you so much, Laura, for thinking of me. And her stamp is so pretty. It's a forever stamp. And also Patty's stamp was pretty. I mean, Patty, I'm sorry, Valerie. I get the sister, like I said, I get the sisters mixed up. Let me show you. Okay, Blue, go ahead and go on through, please. Yo, look at these beautiful stamps. I don't want to show addresses, so let me put this like this, and then we look at this. Is Valerie's stamp is at the top. It's beautiful flowers, and then Laura's is that beautiful, like a cabbage rose is what it's like, or it's like a succulent. It's like a succulent. Very, very pretty. They're forever stamps. They're beautiful. Thank you, ladies, so much for these beautiful cards. And I got a package, y'all. This was wrapped up in a bag, and I opened it up, and then there was shrink wrap on it. And this is a Turkish Goodie box. Turkish Goodie, what does it say? Turkish Goodies foreign snack box. I have had these boxes before. They're so much fun. You can buy them on Amazon, and you can send them, of course, on Amazon. You can send anywhere. And this is from the lovely Jenny Bell. She's a subscriber of mine. And it is called the International Snack Box, Snacks from Around the World. And it comes in different sizes. And see, now it says it's a care package that you can send to like your kids at college, to the dorm room, or just to an office. Like, you know, if somebody did a great job and you want to send it to their office or something to thank them or whatever. So it is... all right, that says the same thing. And then it's a gift for you. Hi, Mary. I just wanted to say a little thank you for the countless hours of comforting entertainment that you have given all of us. Wishing you and the cats the best, Jenny. And I won't say her last name, but Jenny is Jenny Bell. Thank you, Jenny. You're so sweet. That's so sweet of you. You didn't have to do that. But thank you. And this is fun. This is fun, y'all. So let's open it and see what it's all about. Hey, Camille came up. She hardly ever comes up anymore. So like I said, it was shrink wrapped, and let's see, it opens like this, and then when you get inside, it looks like that. And I do remember they send you a list of what's in there, and then like all the nutritional types of things. Oh, there's a lot in here, y'all, a lot. So then, so it's from different places around the world. So starting off, oh, hardly any of this is in English, y'all. I don't know. This is by Ulker Jeezy C-Tier. I have no idea, y'all. Anyway, this is these are crackers. You can see they're crackers. They show they show hot peppers, and they show like a white cheese. Oh, I bet those are good. We might taste those at the end here. I'll show you everything first. Look at that. So it's just it's all in a different language. Well, now here I found some English. T-U-L-U-M, cheese, Tulum cheese, and roasted pepper flavored cheese crackers. Oh, I know I'm gonna love those. I love anything. I like to try things. I like to try things, so it's just fun. And this is by the same brand, that Ulker brand. This is Cat, it says. And it looks like a pastry with some strawberry jelly in it. That looks good. It's soft. It's like a cake. It's soft in there. Oh my goodness, there's so much in here. And then there is, oh, this is the same brand. Maybe they're all the same brand. Ulker. This is Pico. And that is some sort of a chocolate candy bar, or maybe like a cookie. It shows oranges. I love chocolate and orange together. It sort of feels like a Kit Kat kind of a thing in there. And then there's this cake. Look at that pretty thing. This is a puff. You can see there's a cracker, a cookie at the bottom, and then there's probably like marshmallows, what it looks like, with some coconut. And it says Puff. Hindustan Savisi by the brand ETI. So there's the brand, there's the label of it. That looks really sweet and delicious. And then we have, this is Beyaz. This might all be in Turkey. It might all be Turkish words. I'm not really sure. This is a white chocolate wafery kind of probably like a candy because of the white chocolate, but you know, like a cookie kind of a candy thing, wafer thing. Yummy. Look at all this good stuff, y'all. This is something soft. POTI. This is a cake. It feels like a little pound cake. It looks like a pound cake, and it has some filling, and it's showing chocolate and coconuts down here. So see how it has little fillings in there? And it feels like a little pound cake, and you know, a little spongy kind of a, oh gosh, see y'all? Don't drop things, Mary. That hurt my shoulder there. There's so much in here. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness. This one says on it hobby. And let's see if there's any, it says bar. That's in English. Let's see. I'll look at this sheet and see if it says anything in English. No. I'm sure we'll open that one up and see what it is. It's some sort of a candy. You can't tell on the outside what it is. And then there's another one of these little cakes. Let me show you. Here's the label. This one's a chocolate now. See, it looks like the other one. Oh, can you see that? It's like a vanilla wafer, and then it has marshmallow on top, and then these chocolate sprinkles. That looks very tasty. Oh, nice with some tea or something. And oh, then there's another of these cat bars. Oh, and this has hazelnut chocolate filling, whereas the other one has strawberry. This is so much fun. Thank you so much, Jenny. You're so sweet. This is a stick, it says, Karam stick, and it says bitter chocolate. I love dark chocolate. So this is, yeah, just, it feels like a chocolate stick. Yummy, yummy. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is going to keep me busy. And I am off this holiday weekend. So I'm going to be snacking. My doctor told me to rest, and I'm going to take his advice. This looks really good. This one is called Dido, D-I-D-O, and this looks like a wafery kind of a chocolate-covered wafer, kind of a candy bar. Can you see that there? This all looks so good. I am not picky. I like to try new things, but I think I'm going to like every bit of this, y'all. Every bit of it. There's two more. This, it says Caramillo. So you can clearly see this one is chocolate with caramel. So this looks like little 1, 2, 3. There's like little pockets, and you know, you can break off, and there's going to be that caramel, that nice caramel inside. Even the packaging sort of even looks like a Carmelo. Is that what they're called? The ones in the States. And then the last one is Cocoa Star, it says. Oh, I think this might be my favorite one. This says Cocoa Star, and it has a coconut, and and the picture looks like a coconut bar with chocolate on it. So I love coconut, y'all. So my goodness, so many things. 3, 6, 7. There are 13 items in here. So we have the caramel bar, the coconut bar. We'll open up this hobby one and see what it looks like. We have 2 Kit Kats. I'm not saying Kit Kats, but it's cat. Strawberry and chocolate. And they look like a croissant. And like I said, they're soft. So that's going to be really good. The Dido chocolate wafer bar. The Ulker, the Beyaz. This one is the white chocolate. I'm not sure what the filling is. The filling looks like a brown chocolate. So it might be a hazelnut also, but I don't see a hazelnut pictured on there. There's this Pico, which is the orange and chocolate. And, you know, that, I didn't notice that before, but that looks like Krispies. Like maybe like a Rice Krispie treat with chocolate with an orange flavor. And we have the crackers, the Fabulous Crackers. And Blue sat on top of everything. What does he do that for? And these cute little cookies, these little cakes, and the chocolate stick. I think you're on something. There you are, love. Oh, and then this pound cake piece. This is gonna be good. I'm gonna be relaxing, watching. What did I just get? Netflix. I'm gonna watch some Netflix, and I'm going to have some tea, some nice tea. And I'm gonna open up this hobby stick and let's see what it is. Okay, it's chocolate. Oh, it smells good. Okay, so this is what it looks like, y'all. And I'll break it and see. It's like a hard chocolate inside. Oh, is it good? There's little pieces of nuts in there. And I think that they are, could be almond. I was gonna say, I don't know. It's interesting. This is hard, but it isn't. It doesn't. You know, it's hard. It's hard to describe. It's like cocoa. It's like a cake of cocoa. It's really tasty. Really tasty. Oh, I love it. Jenny, I'm gonna love all this. Thank you, Blue. I was gonna open up these chips, and let's open these chips real quick because I want to smell them. I know they're gonna be wonderful. Jenny, this was so nice of you. Oh yeah, these are good. If you like to try things, this is a great fun gift for yourself, for you know, a member of the family. You want to send them a little treat, for a friend, for somebody, you know, that's you know, for any reason. Look how pretty that is, little cracker, and it smells like it said, cheese and pepper. Oh, it's good. These are tasty. I would definitely buy these if they have these here in the States. These are very tasty. So, and again, it tells you all of the nutritional information and allergy information if you have anything like that. So that you don't have to worry about that. If you send this to a friend, they can look at this first if they have any allergies. They can just not eat the one item or two that might bother them. So thank you, Jenny Bell, for sending that to me. That's so sweet of you. And thank you so much to Laura for this beautiful postcard from Hawaii. And, you know, thinking of me while you were on vacation in Hawaii. I'd love to go someday, y'all. I don't know if it's ever in my cards. And Valerie, thank you for this gorgeous card. And I hope it's all right with you. I'm going to put it back there. The other card, I did show it to you when I got it. Oops. Y'all, I can't move very well, so please pardon me. Valerie made this as well. See how talented she is, y'all? So beautiful. So y'all, thank you so much for stopping by. And I will, hopefully soon, I'll be putting on some makeup, y'all. So thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings. It's so good to see y'all. Bye-bye.